She had just parked in her garage when she noticed a note on the door into the house. Curious, she followed it inside, found another note leading to the kitchen, and discovered this.
Did you play Rush?
Utensils, drink is free on the house. And you get a tortilla also on the house. Thank you again, thank you. We're only open on Fridays. This is it. I'm sorry it's so busy in here, I can't hear anything.
I can't breathe.